Hello there YouTube, Escargo80 here. How you been? I'm doing fine and I hope everybody is doing fine too. Recently I grabbed some new books and some back issues as well. So please stay tuned. I wanna show you some of the favorite covers of mine and talk a bit. Stay tuned. So I wanna start with a Harley Quinn book. This is the Harley Quinn 25th anniversary special, the Fright Pie exclusive variant by Lucio Parillo. I know how the Harley books are popular in our community, how it's very loved. I can't resist. Somehow I try to collect this particular issue, you know, all the variants of this particular issue and also the number ones. Next we have Batman 39. This is variant B, covered by Olivier Coppel. This is actually a controversial issue. I don't want to, you know, give out some spoilers right now, but recently, I think last week, the Bat Avenger made some super speculations about this issue, about how the Hunter and the connection between Hunter, Wonder Woman and the Batman. So as you can see in the cover, I think she's wearing Batman's cape. So it's a, you know, I think this can be a key issue in the future, so it's a nice one to have. And the next one is Flash 38. This is a cover by, very beautiful cover by, let me add, Francesco Mattina. I think this is one of the best Flash covers I've seen in person, and I have some other Mattina books, you know, Mattina covers to show you. Coming up next, Wonder Woman 37, and this is a cover by the lovely Jenny Frison. It's hard to pass when you see a Jenny Frison Wonder Woman cover, and it's also hard to pass. Same story here. It applies for the Artgerm Supergirl covers as well. I already have Supergirl 15 and Supergirl 16, but recently my pre-order just arrived, and I got this from my local comic book shop, Supergirl 17. So, you know, please check out how beautiful they look all together. I mean, isn't that a daisy? And let me add the upcoming ones. I think 18 and 19. 18 is my favorite, and it's I don't have number 12 by the way, but 18 will be probably will be my favorite in the whole series. It's so old school and I just love it. I'm looking forward to them. Yeah, so that's for the DC. Let me show you some Marvel books. So we start the Marvel books with the same artist. Here is Phoenix Resurrection number 1 variant by Stanley Artgerm Lowe. He did another Virgin variant which goes around 100 USD right now, and it's the green, Green Phoenix variant. But this book is really beautiful, and for the cover price it's no-brainer. This was, I think, if I'm not mistaken, the Unknown Comics exclusive, The Amazing Spider-Man Renew Your Worlds number 13. Of course, the J. Scott Campbell variant. It's a beautiful, beautiful book. Let me show you. You can, display it either way. It's like a poker card or something. I don't know. It's beautiful both ways. Yeah, it's Unknown comic book exclusive, right? And here we have another. This is a back issue and second printing. Generations 1, the all new Wolverine. This is also a Francesco Mattina book. This is what I'm saying. He's done. Look at the X-23 and the Wolverine back there. I also wanna, it's sold out, but I try to order the Return of Phoenix book. It's amazing book. When I grab that, I will show that book to you too very soon. Yeah. And another Perillo book. Yeah, this is I think this is one of the underrated books, but I think it's purely beautiful cover. The Weapons of Mutant Destruction Alpha. You can see the Domino, since the Domino is having his own run very soon, and the X-23 on the front. It's a beautiful cover, and this is the whole, I think, the Weapon X. This is like the Alkali Lake or something. It's I mean, there's something serious, and I like this cover. So enough about this. And the next one, yeah, this is a back issue. I got this for some time now. This is Old Logan number 31. It's a rain cover. I don't know the artist, to be honest. I thought it was Mike Deodato Jr., but no, man, it's Deodato drawing he's the drawer, he's the penciler. He's doing the story, but I think this cover is not his. I will check that for you. And the last one is a lenticular cover. Beautiful book. This is Avengers No Surrender number 1. This is, I think, 12 book set, and it's becoming, it's very hot book right now. They're sold out at most of the LCSs. But I want you to take a close look at this book. It looks great in person. One of the best lenticular covers, and it's a wraparound cover, but unfortunately I can't show you the back with this backing board, but it's beautiful. Yeah, and I have some other books to show you. Alright everybody, very quickly I'll show and talk about 3 more books and then I'm done. The first one is Deja Torres. This one is a 25-cent number 0 issue, but I think the cover artist is amazing. Jay Anacleto, forgive me if I butchered his name. Amazing looking art. He also made a black and white variant for this one, even though the most popular one is Campbell's book, the 100 copy incentive exclusive, if I'm not mistaken. But this one is, man oh man, I really enjoy this cover. I love the concept of Deja Torres having a new storyline, the Princess of Mars, and I even like the John Carter movie. Seriously, I think it was fun, and I'm always looking out for a sequel for that movie. And this storyline could be interesting as well. I'll be, very excited to read it. The first issue will have some amazing cover artists, such as J. Scott Campbell, Frank Cho, Mac McCone. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked about that one. My second last book is another Unknown Comic Book exclusive, Witchblade number 1, Natali Sanders wraparound cover. This is a title variant. She made also in a Virgin variant, which was amazing. I think Natali Sanders is becoming one of my top all-time favorite artists. Yeah, and I find out about her in All About Comics, JP's videos. Please watch this guy's comic hauls. He and the missus, he and his wife, they are doing the amazing comic hauls. Very fun to watch. The whole family is very friendly and very positive all the time. Very, John is an amazing friend. We chat with him all the time. I think he is trying to arrange, or I think already arranged a private signing with Miss Natali Sanders. So sub him up, follow him. If you want to sign, if you got some books to get signed by this amazing artist, contact the guy. I'll leave his info in my video. Big kudos to you, man. He's like a magician, he knows which book will go, sold out very fast, or which book or which story arc will go hotter. He knows this thing, so I'm so glad I have a friend like him. And my last book, the big bad book, is none other than Spawn 280. This amazing cover is a collaboration of Todd McFarlane and Francesco Mattina. I'm very glad to score a near mint copy of the title dressed variant. They also made another 666 virgin variant, which is also amazing. But I'm so pumped with this book, so satisfied. I can hopefully get an autograph one day from the Todd father himself, or Live Rock Matt, whatever. So these were my comic book haul. Thank you very much. I want to make some shout outs to my supporters, Spider Comics 7, Everything Comics 67. Thank you guys. Thank you for being there and watching my videos, commenting on them, and supporting me. Actually, everybody is in the community is amazing. Whoever I ask a question, or whom I ever comment on a video, I get a response in like maximum in a couple of hours. So everybody, Alex the Comic Hoarder, the Seeking Near Mint Comics, everybody is so positive, so friendly, and so helpful. Thank you very much for watching my videos and for being so positive and for being in contact. Hopefully I'll have some new videos, new books very soon, and I'll talk about them as well. Have a great weekend, enjoy the Super Bowl, and have fun. See you.